So, summer is right around the corner and you want to learn the handstand to look competent. Well, first you need to master the wall handstand to build up muscle memory and conquer the fear of being upside down. Without further ado, here's how to do a proper wall handstand in 4 simple steps. Step number 1, the sprint position. Get into a sprint position about 15 cm or 2 inches from the wall with hands about shoulder width apart. Step number 2, the kick. Push the floor with the foot closest to the wall and kick the other leg in the air like so. This brings your legs up. Step number 3, the stomp. Stomp the wall with the foot that did not push the floor flat against the wall and bring the other leg straight up against the wall. Step number 4, the unfolding. Just unfold the leg that is bent up.
Easy!
You're now wall handstanding. Congratulations! Bonus tip. Analyze what you're not able to do. Is it fear of being upside down or lack of overall strength? To conquer the fear, ask someone to spot you or do a headstand with a pillow instead. If your shoulders muscles are failing, then build up strength by doing push-ups and also pike push-ups. The second bonus tip. Build up confidence in your skills by holding up to 1 minute or even by doing handstand push-ups. Well, you've just learned the basics of handstanding. Stay tuned for a guide on how to actually walk in handstand. The best is yet to come for the courageous. Peace out!